Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers. Associate Software Automation Analyst at Bentley Systems. Bentley Systems Incorporated is an American-based software development company that develops, manufactures, licenses, sells and supports computer software and services for the design, construction and operation of infrastructure. The company's software serves the building plant, civil and geospatial markets in the area of architecture, engineering, construction and operations. Their software products are used to design, engineer, build and operate large constructed assets such as roadways, railways, bridges, buildings, industrial plants, power plants and utility networks. The company reinvests 20% of their revenue in research and development. Bentley Systems is headquartered in US but has developed sales and other department in over 50 countries. The company had revenue of $700 million in 2008. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Now, let us see who can apply for this post. Mechanical engineers, civil engineers, and computer engineers can apply for this post. For getting more details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From this channel, every day 10 a.m. we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 p.m. we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. Post name is Associate Software Automation Analyst. Location will be in Pune. Company is Bentley Systems. Experience required for the post is 0 to 3 years. That means freshers also can apply for this post. The test automation engineer will be responsible to ensure a high quality of Bentley iTwin software products. This goal will be achieved through continuous monitoring, testing the software products both in a pre-released and released state. Work includes development of software test plans, development of test scripts, ensuring the graphical and data integrity of engineering calculations against published documents, performances of regression testing and documentation of test and software quality records. Overall responsibility: create, identify, document and develop test cases from design documentation and functional specifications, developing automated regression, load and performance testing scripts using variety of VSTS and open source tools, supporting all lifecycle activities spanning analysis through maintenance using established software development best practices, planning strategies and related procedures, communicating with the product developers, testers, technical support analysts on product issues, develop and maintain test plans, verify or validate customer report issues, provide advice to sales team if required, maintain or update or bug or issue management applications, learn or get familiar with various Bentley products, make recommendation to improve overall quality, identify test scenarios and test workflows with testing software features. Skills required: degree in mechanical or civil or computer engineering is must. Programming or scripting skills in JavaScript or TypeScript are must. Experience with CAD software such as AutoCAD, MicroStation, ArchiCAD, Revit is plus. Excellent oral and written communication skills, good people relationship and networking skills, understanding TDD and testing quality assurance process, excellent problem solving and analytical skills, understanding of basic 2D, 3D geometry and maths. Initiate as self-starter who can manage multiple tasks simultaneously with minimal supervision. Excellent verbal and written communication skills, excellent listening and interpersonal skills, strong sense of logic and engineering workflow, experience on CAD product testing is plus. Role is Associate Software Automation Analyst. Industry type is Design Software. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for this job opportunity detail from our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Every day 10 a.m. we will upload government jobs, and every day 5 p.m. we will upload private jobs. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.